Roblox has a really shit capture system, guys. I can't log in. This is bullshit. Complete bullshit. I've been trying to log in for the past 30 minutes and I have not been able to. This is very ridiculous, bro. Roblox needs to fix their capture system. I honestly don't know what's going on. I mean, look at this. What even is this, man? This is bullshit. It's a waste of time. Just let me log in. I'm so done, bro. Look. Trying to do this. I'm just giving you an example. Look. Does it make sense? What do you want me to do? Bro. David Baszucki. Fix your game. Fix your game, David.